Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect TeraBox Telegram bot to TeraBox website. Well, this is very easy thing to do. So you have to just go to Telegram, whether it's in your iPhone or normal Android phone or web browser. So on this search bar you have to type connect TeraBox and there should be no space, right? So there are some of the fake bots also, so make sure you don't connect with them here in the chat. So how to verify that whether this is authentic one or not? You will find this @connectera bot here, and this is the correct one. There will be logo in it, and as well there will be a bot, right? It will be here a bot, and there will be no space between connectera bot. Now once you have click on it, there you will get an option to start. So just click on start. Now hello, this is official TeraBox bot. You can connect your account with the TeraBox, right? So they will give you a message. Basically this bot will give you a message, and from here the real process starts out. But before starting out, you have to type a message because TeraBot provide you lots of bot, right? So which bot you want to connect? So to find out to choose a bot, you have to type slash available, right, bots, and they will give you option. Now here they provide you around 3 to 4 bots. The first one is a finance TeraBot, so this will view your records as well as rewards. Same way, this is a video tool, upload video to generate a link and share to earn money, right? Same way, this is a replace TeraBox link. You can just go through it, it's very normal one. And after that, once you're here, and if you want to just read about this, you can just click on it. For example, this is finance bot and it will redirect to your finance bot, and same process start. You can just type on slash start and it will help you to connect it, right? So now let's get back to that, how you can connect your. So this is connector box. So first of all, you have to get your key. So you have to just go and open your TeraBox, right? Let me show you. Just go to any of the browser and search for TeraBox Webmaster, right? So before starting this, one more thing is very important, that you can connect only one Telegram with only one TeraBox account, right? So you don't have to visit the normal TeraBox account, you have to visit TeraBox Webmaster. So as you can see here, join TeraBox referral. If you have made an account, then it's great. If you don't, then you can just log in into this by using your credentials. Now guys, here you have to tap on go login, right? Now after you here, you have to log in. You can use your normal email as well as your Google, from wherever you have made your account, right? So I will just log in into this. So guys, once you have logged in into your TeraBox account, on the top left side corner you will see the 3 horizontal lines. So we have to just go back. So basically, as you can see here, it has gave me to buy the plan, but I don't want to buy. So I will just go back to my profile. So now once open, on the top left side corner, click on the 3 horizontal lines. Make sure you are inside program overview, right? So once you are here in the program overview, uh, this is the same option over PC or laptop. Now here you will get an option of, you can see here new user or referral program for Webmaster, right? So depending upon which plan you want to choose, basically there are 2 ways to earn money from the TeraBox. The first one is you can share your referral link, and you will get money for how many new user you add to TeraBox, right? The other thing is that how many person or viewer have clicked on your link and watch your video, right? So depending upon that, for example, let's say that I will just click on new user, and you have to click on details. Now here you have to click on go to associate. As you can see here, there is very small. So here once you click on go to associate, now here we have got the connect key, right? So we have to copy and submit, right? Once you copy and submit, it will redirect you back to your TeraBox here. Okay, now guys, be careful because from here it's going to be interesting. So here you have to just go to here and you have to type slash connect, right? So this is a command slash connect. So what you have to do, once you type it, just paste here. Okay, so actually it's not, now here slash, and type it by yourself, and there should be a space. Now paste the connect key which you have copied, and once you're done, just press on the enter, right? Now as you can see here, it's worked perfectly fine. So here you can see, hello, this is official TeraBot. To connect with the TeraBox Webmaster, go to here, and it has shown me the same instruction and each and everything, right? Now what you have to do, you have to again paste your connect key and press the enter icon. Now it will give you a command. This TeraBox account is connected with you. It will show you username, your plan, the user acquisition plan, right? To confirm the connection, enter yes. Now what we will do, we will just now type yes, right? Now as you can see here, you have successfully connected your TeraBox Webmaster Center, the TeraBox account connected with you, this user and all these details, right? Now this is how you can just connect your TeraBox Telegram bot with TeraBox website. I hope you found this video very useful, and make sure to like this video, subscribe.